Installation and operation of fully automatic diamond wire cutting machine. Adjustment wheel knob. Let the bottom support the ground. The 4 wire heels are adjusted in sequence to ensure stability. Connect the air compressor pipe. Turn on the air compressor switch. Open air compressor valve. Connect the power supply of the equipment and the air compressor. Turn on the main power switch. Click to enter the operation interface. Take 0.351 at diameter as an example. Adjust the pressure to 0.2 MPa. First put the handle in the downward position, closed. Unscrew the baffle screws. Remove the side panels. Install the upper rail. Tighten the screws. Unscrew the screws. Remove the cover. Install the cable rail. Tighten the screws. Rotating the spool. Take 150 meters of line as an example. Align the wire groove roughly to this position of the drum. Pull out the wire. Through the wire wheel. Secure the wire under the screw. Note that the wire must be in the wire groove of the wire wheel. Now ready to go live. Click on the button parameters. Set the motor speed, for example. Click OK. Click manual mode. Long press the rotate button. Let the spool rotate about 2 times. Release the button to stop the rotation. Click Start Test. Observe the winding progress. The spacing on both sides of the equal line is roughly the same. Click to stop the test. Then use tape to tighten the remaining line on the reel. Cut the line. Pass the line through this side. Secure under the screw. Pay attention to the whole process and ensure that the wire is in the wire slot. Open the tension switch. Manually turn the spool about 2 turns. Adjust the 2 positioning sliders to the edge position. Click on the button parameters. Set the speed, for example 200. Click manual mode. Press and hold the rotate clockwise button. Let the line go from inside to outside. This is the trigger alarm. Click on the fault confirmation. Observation line position. When you are almost outside, release the button, manual rotation, until the line reaches the outermost. Close the tension switch. Loosen the line, tighten it and then re-secure it. In the process of tightening, make sure the wires are in the wire slots. Tighten the screws. Cut off the excess wire. Open the tension switch. Press and hold the rotate counterclockwise button. Observation line position. When you are almost inside, release the button. Manual rotation. Until the line reaches the innermost. Then turn off the tension switch. Loosen the line, tighten it and then re-secure it. Cut off the excess wire. Click to rotate and repeat the previous operation until the wire on the roller is wound tightly and the device does not alarm during the rotation. Keep the guide wheel in the middle of the slot, preferably close to the inside. Rotating the spool about 30 laps. Probably this location. Move the screen to a visible position. Move the positioning slider. Watch the screen until a red frame appears on the rotation button. Keep this position. Tighten the slider screw. Click to rotate counterclockwise to the other side. Observation edge distance. Probably stop at this point. Move the slider on this side. Observe the screen and a red frame appears. Tighten the slider screw. Then click Set Parameters, setting the speed. For example, 100. Click Manual Mode. Click Spindle Test. Run for a period of time. Observe for any abnormal sound. Observe whether the wire will rotate stably. Run for a while to ensure there is no abnormality. Click Test Stop. After stopping, the line will return to the starting position. Loosen the screws. Remove the upper rail. Install the set baffles. Place the basin close to the water outlet of the equipment. The water level in the basin is about the pump position. Connect the water inlet pipe. Glue the bottom of the resin pad, fixing to the sample stage. Measure the workpiece height and write down the value. Apply glue on the surface of the workpiece, fixing to resin spacer. Click to set cutting parameters. Setting the spindle speed. Highest setting 750, for example, setting 300. Set the wire diameter according to the actual situation. Now I use 0.35. If you cut it manually, you need to set the z-axis forward speed, for example, 0.001, then set the cutting depth. Enter the head of the workpiece to be measured. Adjust the distance from the cutting line to the workpiece. About 2 毫米. Adjust the water outlet to a suitable position. Connect the water pump to the power supply. Adjust the water flow. Click on manual mode. You can choose to cut once. Then click cut once. You can also choose automatic cutting. Click parameter settings. For example, cut into 3 pieces. Requires inputs. After setting, click on automatic mode. Click to start cutting. Cutting. The experiment is completed.